dive into our cutting-edge Anaerobic Membrane Bioreactor pilot plant, installed and operated at the Shafdan wastewater treatment plant of Mekorot, Israel's water company. It's a step towards revolutionizing wastewater treatment. Our current effort focuses on monitoring the viscoelastic properties of the sludge as dictated by the microbial self-produced extracellular biopolymers, addressing adverse effects like membrane clogging due to biofouling layers. In addition, we've integrated nutrient recovery, sludge valorization, and micropollutants removal, creating the most innovative demo site globally for a wastewater circular economy. The operation is in full swing, and we're constantly optimizing process conditions to maximize efficiency and sustainability. The Anaerobic Membrane Bioreactor project is one of the innovative endeavors under CoWERC, the Israel-US Collaborative Water Energy Research Center, mutually coordinated by Ben-Gurion University of the Negev and Northwestern University at Evanston, Illinois. Leaders of this center are Professors Aaron Pachman in the USA and Moshe Herzberg in Israel. CoWERC aims to harness the most recent advancements to decrease the energy intensity and cost of water across the entire spectrum. Our approach involves guiding the development and testing of critical new technologies using energy water systems analysis and incorporating new materials and processes to improve pathways for desalination, wastewater reuse, and resource recovery. In Herzberg Lab, our innovative approach encompasses a diverse range of analyses conducted at various scales. This includes studying rheological sludge properties, exploring interactions between extracellular biopolymers and membrane materials, understanding the contribution of biopolymers to sludge viscoelastic properties, and examining sludge integrity and hydration properties across nano, micro, and macro scales. This comprehensive characterization of sludge offers an unconventional perspective for addressing membrane biofouling in anaerobic membrane bioreactors. Together, we're fostering global collaboration for a sustainable water future.